What if every project could be a winning project? Project planning is a challenge for almost every agency out there. You're constantly facing the need to balance costs, budgets, and team availability. When planning, you can always look into past data, but that doesn't guarantee you'll plan the best outcomes. And even if you're familiar with creating financial projections, navigating a spreadsheet can be clunky, and dedicated software can come at an extra cost. But what if you could easily simulate multiple future scenarios and then choose the best one? With a new tool in Productive, you can. Introducing the Scenario Builder. It allows you to plan different project outcomes while tracking budgets and profit with real-time overviews of team availability and costs. It's intuitive to use and easy to implement, so there's no learning curve. Let me show you how it works. We'll take a look at an agency that offers design and development services. In Scenario A, we've estimated the price in hours, which yield this amount of revenue and profit. However, it appears that we'll need a few more teammates to deliver this on time. So we should increase the price a bit to offset the fact that we had to hire a contractor, which we'll add in as an extra expense. And this is our Scenario B. After checking with our team, it seems that they have just the person to do the job. But since they're more experienced, the cost of work automatically rises, which we can then save as Scenario C. Once you've created your potential scenarios, the Scenario Builder can even tell you how well your team can handle the workload. You'll see everything laid out on a timeline similar to this one, giving you a clear overview of what's ahead. If needed, you can even make projections that include new hires to help your HR team plan and ensure you have the right people on board when you need them. Now let's compare all three scenarios side by side. We've created scenarios ranging from best to worst case, so we can project the outcomes. In this case, it's clear that Scenario B is the winner, so we can proceed with it and apply it to a specific project in just one click. Now you have the power to plan for any outcome. With Scenario Builder, you're always one step ahead. Take control of your projects, anticipate challenges, and then choose the right path forward. Try it today and start building future-proof projects.